Hi, buddy. This is Wayne. Welcome back. Got a turkey fryer just sent to me. It's still winter time here. Not quite ready to go outside and cook with it yet, but I wanted to show it to you and give you an idea of what this company has to offer. It's a Red Mountain Valley turkey cooker. It's 30 quart. You can also go with a 10 quart fish fryer. And to be honest with you, that's what I do mostly is fish frying. Okay, so here's the lid. See the handle. I'm not going to unpack that right now. There's our base. Good, heavy, strong base. The burner. Okay. The injector. We like the injector. Here's our hose from tank to regulator. Got some instructions. Instructions are good. A handle for the basket. Meat thermometer, yes. Be sure your oil's up to temp. And there's the longer one. Here's a business that your meat will hang on, sort of. There it is. This is what I'm looking for. I think I must open this upside down. So there's a fry basket. We all know what that's about. Here's the big bucket. That's a 30 quart bucket. It says maximum 20-pound turkey. Okay. This bag is not a toy, it says. So if you're familiar with these things, you know how it works. This is really a proper way to display it for you, but I wanted to, like I said, it's still winter, and I'm not going to be out cooking outside real soon, so I wanted to get this in front of you so that you can have yours by the time it comes to have a fish fry, right? That's what I'm thinking about. I'm ready to go fishing and fill this puppy up, and come Thanksgiving, we'll fry the bird in it. So anyway, it's a nice, seems like strong, sturdy unit, and we're going to enjoy it. And I want to thank Red Mountain Valley for it. It's a nice unit, and we're going to enjoy it a lot, and you will too. So go ahead and get yours now. Okay. Thanks. Bye now.